This is AI. This is also AI. And this is getting millions of views. No filming, no team, no budget, just one system. And I didn't make any of this manually. I tested this format, and it's one of the easiest ways to create viral videos right now. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact workflow, from idea to script to full AI video. And the crazy part, most of it is just copy and paste. You might think this is just another trend, but it's not. Right now, this format is blowing up. Not just one video, not just one channel. I started seeing it everywhere. Short videos, long videos, different niches, same structure, and the pattern is always the same. Simple idea, fast progression, big escalation, then a twist. And here's what surprised me. These channels are not big. Some of them are brand new. No audience, no team. But the videos, thousands of views, hundreds of thousands, some even hitting millions. And I kept asking myself, why is this working so well? Then I realized, it's engineered for retention. It triggers curiosity. What happens next? Then it escalates. Bigger, crazier, faster. And right when you think it's over, it flips. And that's why people don't just click. They stay. And once you understand this, you realize something important. This isn't luck. It's a system. Everything starts with one sentence. What if? Example. What if you gave a medieval king a bottle of Coca-Cola? Let's actually think about it. Day 1, he laughs at it. Day 2, he tastes it. Day 5, he wants more. Day 10, the whole kingdom is addicted. You see that? That's already a story. Most people write like this, and it kills retention. You need this. Day 1, you stand before a king. You hand him a glass. Day 5, the king is addicted. The royal treasury is completely empty. Day 14, word spreads. Neighboring empires declare war. God mode. The king wins the Great War. Then collapse. The soda is warm. It is completely flat. He sentences you to death. This is what keeps people watching. Now watch this. I take that idea. I paste it into this script make gem. And it generates a full script. Day 1, Day 5, Day 14. Everything structured. Everything ready. And I didn't write anything else. Just an idea. This is the right way for storyboard and prompts. One sentence, one shot, no filler. Fast cuts equals higher retention. Open another gems I named Viral Storyboard and Prompt Master Gem. Paste the script just created, and here we go. Now look at this. It automatically breaks everything down. Shot by shot. Voiceover. Image prompt. Video prompt. All generated. Let me slow this down. Shot 1. Script. What if you gave a medieval king a bottle of Coca-Cola? Prompt. Use uploaded image of the 3D shell skeleton as reference. 3D shell skeleton holding a glowing dark brown glass bottle of soda up to the light. Grand medieval throne room background. Low angle extreme center focus. Warm torchlight contrasting with the dark bottle. Cinematic, ultra detailed, 3D render, 9:16 aspect ratio video motion. Slow zoom in on the bottle. Flickering torchlight vividly reflecting off the curved glass. Shot 2. Same structure. Shot 10. Still consistent. Normally, you would write everything manually. Think about shots. Write prompts. Fix everything that takes hours. With this, copy, paste, done. For images, I am going to use Nano Banana 2. Actually, if you can't use Nano Banana, use ChatGPT is also great. Now head over to Google Flow. First upload the reference image, then add reference image to prompt and generate. Now this becomes a pipeline. Images generating one by one. You don't think, you don't design, you just run the system with copy and paste. Now you bring them to life. You can directly create video in Google Flow. It's super simple. Just click image, choose animate, paste prompt. Done. No editing skills, no experience. Just follow the system. VoiceOver use 11 labs. Pick voice. Click generate. Done. Again, you're not creating, you're generating. Editing, I am using CapCut. No big skills, just some sounds effects, captions, transitions, and most important, speed matters. If it feels slow, people leave. Most people fail here. They make clips too long. They over-edit. They slow everything down. And that kills the video. Keep it fast. Always.
What if you gave a medieval king a bottle of Coca-Cola? Day 1. You stand before a king. You hand him a glass bottle. It is dark brown. The king takes a sip. He burps loudly. He smiles. The guards draw their swords. The king waves them off. Day 5. The king is addicted. The royal treasury is completely empty. He builds a steel vault for the bottle. You are the new prime minister. Day 14. Word spreads. Neighboring empires declare war. They want the sweet syrup. The king builds massive walls. He drafts every peasant into his army. Day 40. The king wins the Great War. He sits on a new throne. It is made of enemy skulls. He demands the final sip. He wants to celebrate his total victory. The guards bring the bottle. The king raises it. He takes a huge gulp. He pauses. His face turns red. He spits it all out. The soda is warm. It is completely flat. He sentences you to death.
Now, you could figure all of this out yourself. Test ideas, write scripts, fix mistakes that takes time. So I put everything into one system, 100 plus ideas, prompt to build script templates, prompt frameworks, full workflow, character reference image, guild how to create and use Gemini gems. So instead of figuring things out, you just run it. If you want it, link is in the description. Most people will just watch this and do nothing, but a small group will actually try it. And those are the people you see going viral. The system is here. It's just whether you use it.